If one of your Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2 has stopped working, you're not alone. This is a common issue affecting 15 to 20% of users within the first 18 months of use. The left earbud tends to fail more frequently than the right, accounting for about 60% of single earbud failures. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your earbuds working again. Step 1 is to reset each earbud individually. Start by placing both earbuds in their charging case and wait 30 seconds. This ensures they're properly seated and receiving power. Next, remove one earbud and hold down the touch panel for 30 seconds until you see the LED flash. This indicates the earbud has been reset. Repeat this process for the second earbud. Step 2 focuses on the charging system. Dirty or corroded charging contacts are a common cause of earbud failures. Clean the metal contacts on both the earbuds and case using 99% isopropyl alcohol. Also ensure your charging case has at least 20% battery remaining. A depleted case cannot properly charge the earbuds. Try using a different USB-C cable to rule out cable issues. The final step involves checking for firmware updates using the Bose Music app. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues between earbuds. Open the app and look for any available updates. If the firmware update fails or doesn't resolve the issue, perform a factory reset through the app. After the reset, you'll need to repair your earbuds with your device. This often resolves software-related single earbud failures. These 3 troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of single earbud failures. If your earbuds are still not working after trying these solutions, the issue may require more advanced diagnostics or professional repair. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your Bose QuietComfort Earbuds issues, advanced diagnostics become necessary. These technical procedures can identify hardware problems and prevent future failures. Advanced battery diagnostics start with monitoring individual earbud battery drain rates. Uneven drainage between left and right earbuds often indicates a failing battery cell. Use a multimeter to test the charging voltage, which should measure exactly 5 volts. Lower readings indicate charging system problems, while higher readings may damage the battery. Inspect the battery for physical swelling or damage. Swollen batteries are dangerous and must be replaced immediately by a professional repair service. Connectivity diagnostics involve testing each earbud independently with different devices. This isolates whether the problem is device-specific or hardware-related. Check for interference from other 2.4 GHz devices like Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, or other Bluetooth devices. Move to different locations and test connectivity range. Proper maintenance prevents most earbud failures. Weekly cleaning with a dry cloth removes debris that can interfere with charging contacts and audio quality. Monthly maintenance includes deep cleaning the charging contacts, checking for firmware updates, performing battery calibration cycles, and thorough physical inspection for wear. Prevention is the most effective approach. Maintain optimal temperature range between -10 and +45 degrees Celsius. Avoid overcharging by removing earbuds from the case when fully charged. Following these advanced diagnostic procedures and maintenance practices will significantly extend your earbuds' lifespan and prevent most common failures. Regular attention to these details saves both time and money in the long run.